What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be paying attention to the most useless item in CSGO, the poorly drawn capsule. This thing, as you know, it is listed for sale for 85 cents in the CSGO game store. Normally when CSGO sells a capsule for 85 cents, on the market it usually fluctuates around 80-85 cents. But this one fell all the way to 50 cents, that's how unwanted it was. And by doing that, it set a new high score in being useless. The reason why this happened is kind of obvious. The stickers inside of it are extremely trash. Nobody wants to stick them on their legendary weapons, so yeah. Plus there is no super rare sticker that, I don't know, has some gold tint to it or something like that. They're all pretty common and there is nothing special about them. I've done an unboxing back in the day when they just came out, but right now let's open one more capsule just for the fun of it. Oh yeah, I remember actually, I got a few of the pretty rare ones, and I even made a profit on that unboxing, I think. I'm not sure. Alright, a purple, let's go. How much is that? It's probably not enough to cover... Actually, it is! Actually... So I just made a profit by doing that. Okay, that was pretty lucky. Alright, never mind, I'm never unboxing this again. That was extremely lucky, look at that. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I just wanted to show everyone how useless these capsules are, and that on the market they are way cheaper than in CSGO. I don't think they're gonna grow much higher. Maybe someday they're gonna get to 85 cents, but there is so much other stuff that you can invest your money into that is gonna bring way more than these capsules can ever bring you. So yeah, thank you for watching, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.